So, good day everyone. We are here to present our project titled Securing an Existing Banking Application Security Assessment and Improvement of a Web-Based Banking Application. So, in today's digital age, security is a fundamental requirement, especially in web-based banking systems where sensitive data and financial transactions are constantly at risk. Therefore, this project aims to assess, improve, and document the security of our IMT bank, which already includes essential features like the user authentication, account management, fund transfer, role-based access, and PSGC API integration. To begin with, our main focus has been strengthening the security and usability of the application through several key improvements. So first, we implement robust input validation both on the client and server side. This includes strong password policies, strict username checks, and clear error message to guide users during login and registration. Additionally, we fix a critical username typo in user initialization to ensure data consistency. Moreover, to enhance the user experience, we redesigned the login and registration page with a clear and responsive layout. On the security front, we update the user model to support secure password storage using modern hashing techniques, thereby protecting users' credentials effectively. Finally, we introduce comprehensive audit logging to track important user actions such as login attempts, fund transfers, and account management activities. This improves accountability and helps detect suspicious behavior. Overall, this project is built using a robust technology stack including HTML, CSS, Bootstrap 5, Python with Flask, MySQL, and security libraries like Flask bcrypt, Flask plugin, Flask WTF, and Flask limiter. Through these improvements, we demonstrate our ability to apply real world security practices and deliver a safer, more reliable banking application. And now, to walk us through the code and the security enhancement, here is Aron.
Okay, thank you. Now, as you can see in our Visual Studio Code, which is that is the code editor that we use for the app.py. The main purpose is it is the entry point for our Flask application. It configures the Flask app, initialize extensions like SQL Alchemy, Flask plugin, CSRF, bcrypt, and limiter. It registers error handlers and security headers. Uh, and for our routes.py, it contains all the route or URL endpoint definitions for our web app. It defines routes for users' actions like logging in and logging out, registering new account, transfer, and etc. It defines admin and manager dashboards and actions. Then for our models.py, the database is its main purpose, like using SQL Alchemy. It contains all classes like user and transaction, representing users and their transactions. Now let us go to forms.py. It defines web forms using Flask, WTF, and WT forms. It contains form classes for login, registration, transfers, deposits, password reset, and user editing. Let us go now to the extensions.py. It initializes Flask extensions for use throughout the app. It creates instance for SQL Alchemy, Flask plugin, and uh, limiter to be imported elsewhere. And also the templates contains all HTML templates for rendering web pages. Uh, it includes the base layout, which is the base.html for login registration, dashboard account, error pages, privacy policy, and admin or manager pages. Lastly, the requirements that text uh, it lists all the Python packages required to run the app. It uses the pip install dependencies. So now to demonstrate
I will now demonstrate our application. So in running our application, we must first open our database, which is in this we are using XAMPP. So we have to initialize this first using initdb so that we can access our what the database. So after that, we write we now run our application. And in running our application, we are given this URL where we can access our website. So we will follow the link. So as we click the URL, we are transferred to this site, which is our improved application. As you can see, there are still some improvements that can be done, but for the sake of this demonstration, I will show you what the improvements or the things that the website can do. So first things first, we can access admin privileges using the admin account. So example admin 123. So here is another feature in the application that was added is the password checking. So I will explain that later. So here we are transferred to the admin admin dashboard. So in the admin dashboard, it has access to all of the its own accounts, and also to transfer. Also has this admin dashboard that can edit users and see logged in users. Can also create new user accounts and also can log out. You can also access the manager, the team manager. Also, it also prompted this warning sign because the password for the manager and admin is too weak. So we also added that feature for extra security of the website. So in the manager can also uh, it also has its own account and also can transfer. Um, in difference with the admin and manager is the manager can access all of the admins. So you can see one account is the admin. You can change or see who are the admin users. And yes, another feature that we added is the about. It tells the purpose of the website application and also introduces the developers and its purpose. Um, uh, this application is more on the back end. Focuses more on security rather than the user interface, as you can see here. But you will see that as you use our application. For example, you will register a new account, name it random email, and a password. We can try random 123, but here it prompts us that the password must contain at least one uppercase letter, or the password must be has these characteristics. So it enhances security in a way that it uh it requires the user to enter a more robust password. So for extra security. So I will create a password. Hala! That- Bear with me, please. Wait. Hala ka. Wait. Ah! So you can see we have successfully registered the account. So we will log in using the account. Um, Here we are prompted that our account is waiting for approval in the administrator. So we will enter the admin, log in, accounts, dashboard. We can edit. Here's our account that we made earlier. So we can edit. Here and active. So here's the can update, and now the account is active. So this is just a sneak peek of what the website can do. Also, we have uploaded it we have deployed it in Python Anywhere. We have pasted um the link in our README in GitHub. So like as a demonstration, it's a sneak peek. Here is our deployed application. I will not show you further because it's just the same as the one in our local. So that is all for my demonstration. And now I will transfer it to my group mates. Angela, Aron, do you have any more ano?
Okay naman na. Goods na yan ba?
Thank you. That is all for our presentation.
Thank you.